Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here to my channel, hey, what's up? It's your girl Ashley and I do fitness videos. I'm on this weight loss journey, so I'm doing, updates on my weight loss. I do beauty videos, fashion videos, and all that good stuff. So if you guys are interested, definitely hit that subscribe button so you guys will be notified when I have other uploads. And yeah, so let's get into this video. So this video is going to be so informal. As you can see, I'm kind of in my room. I'm in a different setup. I'm using natural lighting. I don't even have my, artificial light set up. It's just going to be a chit-chatty, telling you guys how I'm feeling, what's been going on with me, type of video. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so if you guys follow me since the beginning of my weight loss journey, you guys know I'm supposed to be coming on here every Sunday and kind of just updating you guys and letting you guys know how my weight loss is going. But for the past 2 Sundays, I haven't made a video, and I have a reason as to why I haven't made a video, and I'm here to let you guys know what that reason is. Now, as you guys know, on February the 2nd or February the 1st, my weight was 272 pounds, which made me 17 pounds down since the beginning of my weight loss journey. Today is February the 20th, and my weight has not moved. So February is almost done, and my weight hasn't moved at all since February has begun. So my weight has been fluctuating between 272 and 276 for the whole month, practically. Some days it's 272, some days it's 275, other days it's 274, other days it's 273. It's just been changing every single day, and it's been making me really frustrated because it's like I'm working out, I'm eating good. Everything I was doing my first month in January where I lost that 17 pounds, I'm still doing now, except for the fact that I'm going to the gym and I'm doing cardio and weight training, but my weight isn't moving. And it has me frustrated. It has me confused. It kind of has me unmotivated a little bit, especially this past weekend. So yeah, and I didn't want to come on here and let you guys know that I wasn't losing weight because I don't like that. I don't like the fact that the scale isn't going down. Now, granted, I know that there's way more to weight loss than just the numbers on the scale going down. There's so many other, there's so many other markers or indications that you are still seeing results. And I'm not going to lie to you guys, I do still see results in terms of athletic results. So my endurance, my strength, especially when I'm in the gym, my ability to go hard for 1 minute and not be super winded after. My endurance is getting better. My ability to get through my 30 minutes of HIIT cardio is getting better. My strength in terms of my weight training is getting better. I can get through my sets a lot easier. Before I used to struggle to finish. Now I can get through them pretty easily, and I'm pretty sure in a couple weeks or so I'll be able to go up a weight section. And then of course inches. Now I haven't been measuring my inches. I've just been using the scale as indications of weight loss, but I will insert a picture here. And the first picture is the beginning of February and the other picture is now. So there is still a difference. I'm still getting smaller. I'm still losing inches, but the numbers on the scale isn't going down. So you can see that, my stomach has gotten a lot smaller. I'm not as bloated or bulgy in my stomach area anymore. And, my hips area has kind of gotten smaller. So that's really good. I'm not taking away the fact that that is really good. But when you're so focused on the numbers on the scale, and I know I'm not supposed to, trust me, I know I'm not supposed to be so fixated on the numbers on the scale because it's not a true representation of your results and your goal to being healthy and fit, because the scale's not going to tell me what I wanted to say. It could be that I'm starting to gain muscle, so that's why the scale isn't moving. It could be a number of different things. It could be that, my diet that was just 1,500 calories. Now that I'm gaining muscle and doing weight training, maybe I need to up my calories because it's not enough calories anymore, so my body's in starvation mode maybe. There's so many different things that could be, the reasons as to why the numbers on the scale isn't moving. But there's still results in terms of my body, which is a plus, which is a good thing. But yeah, the numbers on the scale just haven't been going down, and I don't know, it just kind of has me in a rut a little bit because I was tracking my progress so good, and now it's just kind of lost. So yeah, it's pretty much the reason why I haven't been updating you guys on my weight loss. I've really been trying to figure out, you know, different ways to kind of change my routine. I don't think it's necessarily a plateau, because a couple people who have lost weight have told me it's too early for me to hit a plateau. So it could just be I'm not eating enough calories anymore. I need to rearrange or readjust my calorie intake, my calories burned in the gym. I need to change my routine. Like, this probably just something I need to change in my routine, because my body's probably just used to what I'm doing now. So yeah, I've been trying to just figure out how I'm going to go into March fresh and hopefully see more results in March. I really do want to get down 35 pounds by my birthday. My birthday is April the 7th, so I'm really want to be 35 pounds down by the time my birthday comes. And considering how January went, I was kind of hoping that I would lose, 15 pounds a month. But it doesn't seem like that's really happening. And to be quite honest with you guys, if I was losing 15 pounds every single month, that means by June I would be down a lot of weight, and to lose that much weight in 6 months I don't think is very healthy anyways. So yeah, I guess that's kind of just it. So there are some new things that I've kind of introduced into my weight loss journey now, and hoping that it'll help me see results in March, because like I said, something's going on with my body and it's gotten used to stuff. So I've decided to add maybe some supplements or different things to kind of aid in my weight loss. So I'm going to show you guys some new products that I have recently picked up and hopefully works for me. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys is this product that I picked up from GNC. So if you guys are ever just want to know what products can help you with weight loss and everything, check your local health food store, okay? The people in there are pretty knowledgeable on different products, and they're usually using those same products as well and had results. So definitely recommend speaking to somebody, a professional who works in a health food store, or speak to a nutritionist or a dietitian or whatever the case is. So I went into GNC and I was telling the guy who works in there my dilemma, how I'm not losing no more weight and I'm going hard in the gym and everything. And he pretty much recommended this product to me that he's actually been using himself, and it's called carnitine. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. Carnitine, I really don't know how to explain what carnitine is to you guys. There is a ton of information online. I will leave a link down below so you guys can read up about it. But pretty much it's like a hormone, or your body naturally produces carnitine. But this is definitely just a supplement. And pretty much what it does, it helps your body use your fat storage and helps you burn fat. Like, helps you to just burn fat. Doesn't make you use up muscle energy or what you ate, like carbs. It helps you to just burn fat. And when I heard that, I was sold. So yeah, I'm trying this out. I've only started using it recently. I picked it up about a week ago. So yeah, I picked it up about a week ago, and so yeah, and it's really good. It comes in different flavors. The flavor I have is watermelon frost, and let me tell you guys, it tastes so good. For somebody who only drinks water, when you put this in there, it's like juice. It tastes so good. But pretty much it's just some powder, and you put it in a certain amount of water. So you put in 1 scoop to 150 milliliters of water. So yeah, that's all it is. It's a powder. You can kind of see the residue of the powder on the screen, but yeah, that's pretty much what it is. So I picked that up from GNC, so I highly recommend you guys pick this up. Okay, and the next product that I have is something that was actually sent to me by MateFit. So thank you so much, MateFit, for sending this product to me. And it is a tea. So you guys know everybody be talking about these flat tummy teas and skinny teas and detox teas, and it's pretty much just a crave right now. So I did get my hands on some teas myself, and I have 2 teas here. I have a metabolic boost tea, and I also have a detox tea. Now, I'm not even much of a tea person. Like, I'm not into the tea. I don't really drink tea that much. But if it's going to help me to lose weight, then I might as well give it a shot and see if it's really legit, if it actually works. So they did send me two teas, these two teas here. So the Metabolic Boost says you should drink it every day, 15 minutes before breakfast and lunch. And the Detox Tea says you should drink it every other night after dinner. So I know with detox teas, they be making you go to the bathroom. So I don't know if I could really take this during the week because I don't want to be using the bathroom all day at work. But for sure, I'm going to try this out Friday coming up and see how it goes. And then this Metabolic Boost tea, I'm definitely going to try it on a daily basis. And I'll definitely come back and let you guys know how it's working for me. And then they also sent me a blender bottle, which you can never have too much of. I absolutely love these blender bottles. I use them pretty much just for smoothies and stuff. They are perfect for smoothies. I always put my smoothies in a blender bottle, and I do have a pink one as well that I also got from GNC. And in the package, it also came with some tea filter bags. So it is a loose leaf tea, so you pretty much just put it in the filter and then you can seep it in some water. So that's what they sent me. Thanks again, Mate Fit, for sending me those teas, and I'll definitely be sure to give it a try and let you guys know how it's working for me. So that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. It's really short and simple, just letting you guys know that your girl pretty much ain't losing no weight. I might be burning fat, but in terms of the weight on the scale, the numbers ain't going down. But I'm trying not to let it bother me too much and get me down. Still gonna try to go really, really hard for March. I just want to go in fresh in March. So yeah, I'm working towards hopefully getting some weight down for next month. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any tips and tricks, please leave them down below. Help your girl out, okay? Because my body's just not burning any more fat or whatever's going on. I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you guys can follow my weight loss journey. If you guys are on a weight loss journey, be sure to link it down below so I can see what y'all's doing and how much weight you guys are doing. We got this in the bag, y'all. We can do this, okay? It's only February. We still have the whole year. If you guys have already seen success, you guys are doing so good, okay? So be proud of yourself. I should probably take my own advice too and be proud of myself, because at the end of the day, there's still results. I'm way better now than I was the last day of December. So let's just put it that way. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.